Hey there! If users in your web application need help and no one's available, they're left stuck. No context, no response, no way to move forward. Support shouldn't be a bottleneck, especially for questions that could be answered instantly. Let's walk through setting up an AI chat agent in your web application using Thena. It just takes a few steps, and you'll be up and running in minutes. Go to Organization Settings in Thena. Then click into Sources. Click Enable on Web Chat. Select the Thena team where you want tickets created from web chat to be routed. Then click Add to Team. Once ready, click Configure Deployment in Team. You're now in Team Settings, Sources, Web Chat, where you configure the agent for that team specifically. Add your logo URL, pick a widget color to match your brand. Choose your preferences, like position and other display options. Next, add the domain where your web app is hosted. This tells Thena where to render the widget. Once saved, your deployment script is generated. If you're dropping the widget into a website, you can skip the next part. But if you're deploying to a web application, use the HMAC secret key to securely pass the user's name and email. That way, the agent knows who it's talking to, right from the start. Paste the script into your web app. Now add your custom prompt. This defines how your AI agent behaves in conversation. Then go to Agent Settings and upload knowledge in the form of URLs or documents. This is what the agent will use to answer questions. Now let's see it in action. Your customer is using your web application. They open the widget and type in a question. The AI chat agent replies instantly, using the knowledge you provided. They ask follow-up questions. The agent keeps the context, answers clearly, and continues the chat. If the issue can't be resolved right away, the agent opens a ticket inside Thena. Your human agent sees the full conversation. They respond directly from Thena, and the AI passes the reply back to the user. If the user's offline, they'll get an email update. The conversation keeps going without missing a beat. That's it. Your AI chat agent is now live in your web application. It's ready to answer, route, and escalate right where your users already are.